Good morning students, welcome to session 24 of chapter factorization. So in the last class I have covered 4th and 5th bits of exercise 12.2 and I have given you some sums from those bits as homework. So I got some messages from few students asking to explain those problems also, which I gave you homework also. Okay, so I have given you I think 5 problems as homework, and yes, they have asked me all these 5 problems to explain. So okay, it's not an issue. I will explain you all those 5 now. So let us see now first problem, 4th bit, second problem. It's a power 4 minus b plus c whole power 4. Okay. Here the identity we use is a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so now first this question can be written as a power 4 minus b plus c whole power 4 can be written as, see, I am writing a power 4 as a square whole square minus b plus c whole power 4 as whole square and whole square. To get into this formula, మనకి ఈ ఫార్ములాలోకి రావాలి, మనం మార్చుకోవాలి. We are converting into the identity which we are using. So this has to be written as a square whole square minus b plus c whole square and again whole square. So which becomes, ఇదంతా a అనుకోండి, ఇదంతా b అనుకోండి, it will be a square minus b square. Now when we convert into this, so a value will be a square, b value will be b plus c whole square. Okay, let's see, let's write into the formula, substitute into the formula. Now a square whole square minus b plus c whole square, again a whole square, is equals to a plus b into a minus b. This becomes a square plus b plus c whole square, this is a plus b into a minus b. A square minus a minus b. B is b plus c. B plus c whole square. Okay. Now again, this looks in the form of a square minus b square. ఇదంతా b అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు a square minus b square అవుతుంది. Again, assume it as equation 1. Okay. Write down from 1. Okay, this one, a square minus b plus c whole square. Okay, a square minus b plus c whole square, that can be written as, so I am again using, we use identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now again this becomes a is equal to a, b is equal to b plus c in the brackets. When we substitute a square minus b plus c whole square will be equals to a plus b plus c. If you want, you can keep in the brackets. If not, you can open the bracket. That's not an issue. Into here, very careful. Now we are doing, this is a plus b, brackets open chesam, బయట ప్లస్ ఉంది, సో లోపల ప్లస్ కాబట్టి ఏం చేంజెస్ ఉండవు, ఇట్స్ నాట్ an issue. But a minus b అంటున్నాం, b is b plus c. Now this becomes a plus b plus c into a minus, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది కదా, ఏం లేకపోతే మైనస్ into ప్లస్ మైనస్ b minus into plus minus c. So finally the outcome, the answer is therefore a power 4 minus b plus c whole power 4 will be equals to a plus b plus c into a minus b minus c. Let's take the answer for this one. 12.2 fourth bit second one. 12.2 fourth bit second one. It's a square plus b square. Are we checking the right one? Sorry, it's fourth bit. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2bc into a plus b plus c into a minus b minus c. Yeah. I'm sorry, we still have a sum. See, manam a square plus minus b. We have solved a square plus minus b plus c. So this one equals to a square minus b plus c whole square, right? Ante idi maatrame. We still have this one. We need to write out this one also, right? Okay. This is wrong here. This should be this one. Therefore, a square minus b plus c whole square is equals to this one. Now, substitute in the equation 1. Substitute a square minus b plus c whole square in equation 1. So this one, ante దీని ప్లేస్ లో ఇదంతా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి ఈక్వేషన్ 1 లో. Now this becomes a square whole square ante a power 4. That I am writing this one. Okay, or I will write this one. Okay, a square whole square minus b plus c whole square and whole square again is equals to, first write down this one, simplify this. A plus b whole square formula undi. B plus c whole square is nothing but a plus b whole square. So what is a plus b whole square formula? Write down first a square as this plus b plus c whole square ante it is the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab, which comes here to b square plus c square plus 2bc. B square plus c square plus 2bc, keep in a bracket, and now this one you can directly write down this one into a plus b plus c into a minus b minus c. Okay, finally write down therefore a power 4 minus b plus c whole power 4 is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2bc into a plus b plus c into a minus b minus c. Check the answer now. It should be the right now. 12.2 exercise fourth bit second one. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2bc into a plus b plus c into a minus b minus c, right? We got the right one. Let's look at the sum number 4. Same bit. x square minus 16 by 25. This is fourth one. 49x square minus 16 by 25, right? 49x square minus 16 by 25. Let's look at this. So write down the question again. 49x square minus 16 by 25. Here everything is a perfect square. 49 can be written as 7 square. Write down 7 square x square minus 16 can be written as 4 square by 25 can be written as 5 square. Now what I am doing? 7x whole square minus 4 by 5 whole square. Now identity we use here is again same. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now this one where a is equal to 7x b is equal to 4 by 5. Substitute. When you substitute, this becomes 7x whole square minus 4 by 5 whole square can be written as 7x plus 4 by 5 into 7x minus 4 by 5. Can we simplify this? 7x thing మనం simplify చేయలేము. We can write 4 as 2 square but not 5. So this will be the end of the sum. And the final step, 49x square minus 16 by 25 is equals to 7x plus 4 by 5 into 7x minus 4 by 5. Okay, this is our last step, last solution. Let's see the sixth one. Four into a plus b whole square. 4 into a plus b whole square minus 9 into a minus b whole square, minus 9 into a minus b whole square. So solution. Now write in the question 4 into a plus b whole square minus 9 into a minus b whole square. So 4 can be written as 2 square into a plus b whole square minus 9 can be written as 3 square into a minus b whole square. Now దీనికి స్క్వేర్ ఉంది, దీనికి స్క్వేర్ ఉంది. I'm taking whole square. 2 into a plus b whole square minus 3 into a minus b whole square. Now using identity, using identity a square minus b square, which will be equals to a plus b into a minus b, where a is equals to 2 into a plus b. a plus లో ఏముంది అంతా a square కదా, a plus లో ఇదంతా ఉంది మనకి, b plus లో ఇదంతా ఉంది మనకి. Then b will be equals to 3 into a minus b. Got it? Next. Now let's solve this. Sorry, this one. 2 into a plus b whole square minus 3 into a minus b whole square equals to a plus b into a minus b is a formula. Write down. This is a, which becomes 2 into a plus b. Okay, this is a plus 3 into a minus b. Next, a plus b into a minus b. 2 into a plus b minus this one, 3 into a minus b. Okay, this is not over yet. We need to continue. Now I am writing this one as this 2 into a plus b plus 3 into a minus b. Okay, let me simplify this here. 2 into a is 2. Okay, 2 into a is 2a plus 2 into b 2b plus 3 into a 3a plus into minus minus 3 into b 3b. Keep in a bracket. And now this one, 2 into a 2a plus 2 into b 2b minus 3 into a is minus 3a minus into minus plus 3b. Now 2a plus 3a is 5a, 2b minus 3b is minus 1b, which will be minus b, into 2a minus 3a is minus a, 2b plus 3b is plus 5b. So this will be our final answer. If you want, you can keep till here. If not, we can simplify chesi vadayochu. Let's take the answer. 12.2 6th one, right? 4th with 6th one. 12.2 4th bit 6th one 5a minus b into 5b minus a. Okay, మనకి minus a plus 5b రాసాము. In textbook it is written as 5b minus a. ముందుది వెనకాల ఉంది, వెనకాలది ముందుకు రాస్తున్నాడు. అంటే 5b అనేది ముందుకు వచ్చింది, minus a అనేది వెనకాల రాస్తున్నాడు. సో దట్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్. మనం ఎక్కడైనా రాసుకోవచ్చు స్టెప్స్ ని, ఆ టర్మ్స్ ని, ఒక ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ లో ఉన్న టర్మ్స్ ని మనము ఎక్కడైనా రాయొచ్చు. బట్ వాటికి ఉన్న సైన్ మాత్రం ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా పెట్టాలి. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ అవర్ లాస్ట్ స్టెప్. ఫైనల్లీ లెట్స్ రైట్ డౌన్ therefore 4 into a plus b whole square minus 9 into a minus b whole square is equals to, okay, you can write here continuation. I don't have place there, so I am writing here, is equal to 5a minus b into minus a plus 5b. Okay, with this we have done this bit. Let us see 50 bit second sum. X square plus 9x plus 18 x square plus 9x plus 18. Fifth bit second sum, x square plus 9x plus 18. Okay, now write in the problem x square plus 9x plus 18. Okay, as you know, when the constant term is not a perfect square, ఇక్కడ 18 ఉందమ్మా, that's a constant term. So constant term perfect square కాకపోతే we cannot use any of the identities. Okay, మనం ఏ ఐడెంటిటీ కూడా యూస్ చేయలేము when it is not a perfect square. సో అప్పుడు ఏంటి ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ మెథడ్ ఏంటి మనకి? ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ 18. రైట్ ఆన్ ది ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ 18. రఫ్ గా రాయండి. ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ 18 is first 1 into 18, next 2 into 9, next 3 into 6, next again same repeat అవుతాయి. 6 into 3, 9 into 2, 18 into 1. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం? We need to pick any of the two factors and the product should be 18, and if we do addition or subtraction you need to get 9, right? So let us take 1 and 18, multiply cheste we are getting 18, but add or subtract cheste we'll get 19 or 17, which is not the outcome which we require, right? Let us go to 2 and 9. 2 and 9, 2 into 9 is 18, yes, and 2 and 9 చేస్తే we are getting 9 వస్తుందా? 2 9 చేస్తే యాడ్ చేస్తే 11 వస్తుంది, సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 7 వస్తుంది, బట్ మనకి 9 కావాలి. Let us go 3 into 6. 3 into 6 is 18. 6 minus 3 is 3 వస్తుంది, యాడ్ చేస్తే 3 plus 6 is 9. Yes, we are getting. Let us take that. Now x square plus 9x can be written as 3x plus 6x, right? Plus 18. If we రెండు multiply చేస్తే you are getting 18, add చేస్తే we are getting 9x. Now from these two I am taking x as common, the remaining terms are x plus 3. From these two I am taking 6 as common, remaining terms are x plus 3. Brackets should be same. Now x plus 3 is common again here, I am taking x plus 3 as common, and the terms which are outside x and 8 6, right? Take in another bracket x plus 6. That's it, right? We done with this sum. This is our solution. Therefore factorization of x square plus 9x plus 18 is x plus 3 into x plus 6. Done, over. Okay, let's see the last problem of this page. X square minus 4x minus 32. Same sum, okay? X square minus 4x minus 32, right? X square minus 4x minus 32. Again, 32 is not a perfect square, right? So what do we need to do? First write down the question, then factors of 32. Factors of 32. Okay, it's actually minus 32. So first 32 write. One table write first, next two table 2 into 16, next three table no, right? 3 ones 3, 2 migutundi, so we not get 2 in 3 table. So next 4 table 4 into 8, no. 5 table 6 table of no, 7 table no, 8 table yes, again ive repeat avutunnayi. 8 into 4 16 into 2 32 into 1. Next step enti, we need to pick two factors. The product should be 32 and if we add or subtract we need to get minus 4. One more, the product should be minus 32 and not 32. 32 ki minus undi kada, so manaki multiply cheste minus 32 ravali, add or subtract cheste you need to get minus 4. So pick any two factors. Let us take 1 and 32. So 132 తీసుకుంటే yes, obviously you will get 32 because ఇవన్నీ కూడా 32 factors కాబట్టి ఏవి రెండు తీసుకున్నా మనకి డెఫినెట్ గా 32 వస్తుంది. The only thing is we need to get minus 4 if we add or subtract. 32 and 1 add చేస్తే 33, subtract చేస్తే 31. So we don't want that. 16 and 2 add చేస్తే 18, subtract చేస్తే 14. We need 4. 4 and 8 add చేస్తే 12, subtract చేస్తే 4. Yes, మనకు కావాల్సింది minus 4 వస్తుంది అంటే there is a possibility, right? Now let us take 4 and 8. Okay, fix. ఇది ఫిక్స్ అయిపోయింది. మనం 4 and 8 ని తీసుకోవాలి, కంపల్సరీ అవి రెండే తీసుకోవాలి. బట్ నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏంటంటే 4 and 8 తీసుకున్నాక మనకి -4 కావాలి. అంటే ఒక పెద్ద నంబర్ నుంచి చిన్న నంబర్ ని మైనస్ చేస్తే we will get answer ని పాజిటివ్, రైట్? అంటే 8 4 చేస్తే మనకి 4 వస్తుంది పాజిటివ్ గా. కానీ ఆన్సర్ నెగటివ్ రావాలి. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? 4 - 8 చేయాలి, రైట్? Then you will get as -4. Multiply చేయండి. 4 8 32. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది, ప్లస్ into minus minus. Yes, we are getting -32 and -4. So the thing is here x square minus 4x, sorry, x square plus 4x minus 8x minus 32. From these two I am taking x as common. X plus 4 is the remaining. ఇక్కడ -8 common తీసుకుంటే x plus 4 will be the remaining. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది సార్, ప్లస్ అని తీసుకున్నారు. yes, if you ask that question I have an answer. -8 into x minus 8x minus into plus minus. Suppose if you say ఇక్కడ మైనస్ తీసుకుంటా సార్ అని అంటే మైనస్ into మైనస్ ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. మరి ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? మైనస్ ఉంది. That's the reason I am taking here plus. Okay, now x plus 4 is a common terms and the terms that are outside the bracket is x minus 8. Therefore, factorization of the question, write down x square minus 4x minus 32 is x plus 4 into x minus 8. Okay, this is the fourth sum of the fifth bit. Okay, we have one more sum in this bit which is sixth one. Okay, let us look at that sum and we'll end up this session. So I'm not going to write the whole question here. Find the values of m. The ultimate గా మనం చేయాల్సింది ఈ ప్రాబ్లం లో ఏంటంటే m వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. We need to find out m value. Okay, for which he is given an equation here. Sixth one, equation is x square plus 3xy plus x plus my minus m. This is our problem. Okay, equation. And he said that this equation has two linear factors in x and y with integer coefficients. Okay, so వాటి coefficients ఏమో integers అంటున్నాడు and దీనికి ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ఒక two linear factors అంటున్నాడు. It's not equations, it's a factors. అంటే ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ ని డిరైవ్ చేసుకుంటే or we can say ఒక లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ ని డిరైవ్ చేస్తే ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్ చేస్తే విల్ గెట్ సమ్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ as we get in the earlier sum. ఈక్వేషన్ ఉంది దాని ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ చేసుకుంటే we got as x plus 3 into x minus 8 అలా వచ్చింది కదా. సో అవి వాటిని ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అంటారు. దట్ దోస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. సో అటువంటి లీనియర్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ రెండు ఉన్నాయని చెప్తున్నాడు. let us assume them. Let us write the linear factors. Let us write the two linear factors. Let us write the two linear factors. First one as ax plus by plus c, and the second one as ex plus fg plus something. Let us take m. Okay, ex plus fg plus m. So let us take these two as linear. Okay, so let us take these two as linear factors. Okay, if we have linear factors తీసుకుంటే what we can do now? So see, if suppose if linear factors if రెండు multiply చేస్తే you should get this equation అని చెప్పాడు. Okay, so now the equation లో if you see we don't have y square term. Y square term లేదు. So write down the given equation doesn't have y square term. Okay, so అప్పుడు ఏం రాస్తాం y square term లేదు కాబట్టి ఇవి రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే y square term అనేది రాకూడదు. Okay, okay, let us this is y. Okay, so as we don't have a y square terms in the given equation, we need to remove this fy term because ikkada y undi ikkada y terms unnai. So if we multiply you will get y square term. So kabatti we need to remove, and one more here, this take as g. Okay, g anukundam. Okay, so now so I am writing this one as ax plus by plus c into ex plus g. Okay, now so ఇవి కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్, ఇవి ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్ చేస్తే వచ్చిన ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ దీనికి. సో అప్పుడు therefore x square plus 3xy plus x plus my minus m, okay, should be equals to these factors ax plus by plus c into ex plus g. Okay, now let us write down, multiply this one. Ax into ex is aex square. Ax into g is axg or agx plus by into ex is bexy. Next by into g is bgy plus c into ex is cex plus c into g is cg. Okay, and now let us compare the coefficients. Okay, compare coefficients. We get what we get, x square కి ఇక్కడ ఏమీ లేకపోతే 1 ఉన్నట్టు, ఇక్కడ x square కి ae ఉంది. So ae is equals to 1. Assume this as 1. ఇక్కడ xy terms ఉన్నాయి 3xy. ఇక్కడ xy ఎక్కడ ఉందమ్మా? We have here, right? xy term ఇక్కడ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఎంత ఉంది? 3 ఉంది. ఇక్కడ be ఉంది. be is equal to 3. ఇక్కడ x term ఉంది, ఇక్కడ x term ఇక్కడ ఉంది, and also we have here అంటే ag plus ce is the coefficient of x. ఇక్కడ ఏమంటే 1 అన్నట్టు. ag plus ce is equals to 1 coefficient. Next my terms. So my ఇక్కడ y coefficient is m, మరి ఇక్కడ మనకి y terms is this one. So m is equal to bg, bg is equal to m. Okay, and now next minus m, it's a constant term. Okay, minus m అనేది constant. So ఇక్కడ constant ఏముంది, cg ఉంది. cg is equal to minus m, cg is equal to minus m. Okay, I'm erasing this one. Now let's see. So AE is equal to 1 annam. So from 1 AE equal to 1 అయితే ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే we are getting 1, which means ఈ రెండిటి వాల్యూస్ 1 1 అవుతేనే కదా 1 అవుతది. సపోజ్ ఏ వాల్యూ 1 అనుకోండి, ఈ వాల్యూ ఏమవ్వాలి, ఈక్వల్ టు 1 రావాలంటే అంటే 1 కి ఒక వాల్యూ 1, ఆన్సర్ కూడా 1 రావాలి. అప్పుడు ఏం మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, దానికి 0 మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 0 వస్తది, 2 మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 2 వస్తది, 3 మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 3 వస్తది. కానీ 1 రావాలి అంటే we need to multiply with 1 only. అంటే ఏ వాల్యూ 1 ఈ వాల్యూ కూడా 1 అవ్వాలి, రైట్? అంటే సింప్లీ హియర్ with this we can find out, with that condition a is equal to e is equal to 1, అంతే కదా. ఏ వాల్యూ ఈ వాల్యూ 1 అవుతేనే మనకి ఆన్సర్ 1 వస్తుంది. అంటే we got a and e values. ఓకే, అన్ని వాల్యూస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తేనే we'll get m value. So now we got a and e value. Next we'll see b e is equal to 3 అన్నాడు. Next then equation 2 ఏమవుతుంది, be is equal to 3. We know that e value is 1, అప్పుడు b into 1 is equal to 3. Therefore b is equal to 3. We got b value also. We got b value also. Now if you see AG plus CE is equal to 1, then okay, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, this is 1, sorry, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. Okay, now then equation 4 becomes AG plus CE is equal to 1. We know a value also, a value and e value both are 1. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, G plus C is equal to 1. Okay, keep this as equation 6. దీని equation 6 అనుకోండి. Now G plus C values వచ్చేసినాయి. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి, సో BG is equal to m, CG is equal to minus m. Now ఇవి రెండిట్లో కామన్ గా g ఉంది కాబట్టి what we are doing is let us divide. Okay, let us divide 4 by 5 అంటే ఈక్వేషన్ 4 by 5. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, bg by cg is equals to minus, okay, m by minus m, m by minus m, m cancel, అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏం మిగిలింది, minus 1 మిగిలింది, gg cancel అంటే b by c is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus c. Okay, b equal to minus c. Okay, or we can change this to c is equal to minus b లా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, ఇంకా డౌట్ గా ఉంటే ఇక్కడ బ్రాకెట్ లో ఒక స్టెప్ రాయండి, మల్టిప్లయింగ్ బై మైనస్ 1 అంటే ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ని -1 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఇలా వస్తుంది, c equal to minus b లాగా. when c is equal to minus b, substitute, here we have b equal to 3. okay, again write down here c equal to ఏమవుతుంది, b వాల్యూ ఎంతమ్మా 3 కదా, అప్పుడు మైనస్ b వాల్యూ 3 కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకుంటే c వాల్యూ -3. write down here from, write down this one, or since b equal to 3 అని పెట్టుకోండి. b equal to 3 కాబట్టి b ప్లస్ 3 పెడుతున్నాం. now we got c వాల్యూ, మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది, a వాల్యూ వచ్చింది, b వాల్యూ, c వాల్యూ Okay, and next we got E value. We are left with G value, right? We left with G value and M value. ఇప్పుడు మనకి G value రావాలి. So what we left with? Okay, G and M. So we got C value minus B, C value as minus 3. Now we need to get, okay, here we have G plus C, okay, from equation 6. Now putting C value in equation 6. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? G plus C is equal to 1, C value is minus 3, G minus 3 is equal to 1, G is equal to 1 plus 3, which will be G equal to 4. Okay, now we got G value also. Okay, whereas in this one, okay, we got G value, अन्य values వచ్చేసినాయి. So let us substitute in equation 4 all B and G value. Substitute B and G value in equation 4. So B value is B value is 3, G value is 4. B value is 3, G value 4, and the condition is BG is equal to M. BG equal to M. B value is 3 into G value is 4 is equal to M. 3 into 4 is 12 is equal to M. So therefore M is equal to 12 is the answer. So M value 12 వచ్చింది. Let us check that. 4 6 to 6 sum 12.2 6 sum 12.2 6 to 1 is 12. Okay, so this is our final answer. Hope you understood. ఈ సమ్ మీరు 2-3 times ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే వస్తుందమ్మా, లేదు అంటే మొత్తం రాంగ్ అయిపోతుంది. So with this we can stop today's session. Hope you understood. If you have still any doubts in this sum, you can contact me, you can reach out to me anytime. Okay, and in next session we'll see divisions of these expressions. Okay, divisions check చేస్తున్నాం. Okay, thank you.